Some of you may be listening to people's story, talking about how things have been hidden, a need for you to heal from ancestral wounds. You may be activating your DNA. You are understanding who you are, and this could be coming from someone who's telling their story. It could be through a book. It could be through videos. It could be through people just talking to you. They talk about the wounds, their father's wounds, the connection they had to their father. Even healing with the earth is very important. There is a need for you to heal with the earth. This is probably what they are even telling you about, how to master yourself, heal yourself from all wounds and the things that were hidden. So that way you can connect to the love you have for yourself. I see this as the yin and the yang, the dark and the light. Embrace everything that is around you. You may need a mentor, or you may be watching a mentor. Heal the mother and father wounds. It's okay. We all had to go through it. We all have a story.